All right, guys, November 19th, Saturday morning, opening day of gun season, which means dog season here in Virginia. And we are out here getting lined up for the first hunt. Beautiful morning. Get ready to turn out about 4 or 5 packs of dogs here, so stay tuned. Hope we'll bring you some action. You get her, Levi?
I don't know. It was a big doe in the middle of the fire trail. It was a long shot though.
Freaking bear. Well, that wasn't what I was hoping for on opening day, but little bear cub, probably 100 pounds or so. I knew it wasn't a dog. I couldn't tell if it was a deer or what it was. It was acting kind of funny coming up here, but pretty cool encounter. All right, guys, it's Monday, November 21st. Out here doing some dog driving with the club today. It's 7:30, 8 o'clock. It's about 21 degrees. Awesome morning, quiet, frost all on the ground. We get ready to turn out 3 or 4 sets of hounds, and hopefully we can get into something. Had a pretty good opening day. I think we killed one, shot at a few others, but hunting some thick pine cut over about 4 or 5 years old. Shooting's a little tight in here, but we'll see what happens. We got it surrounded pretty tight, so hopefully something will come out of here and we can get a shot. So I'll keep you updated. Hey, them dogs are on a small buck I saw come through 30 minutes ago. They just went out of the hunt into Lovins on a small buck. Some type of scrub buck came by me 30 minutes ago, and they're running them in Lovins now. They probably should catch up to them in here. Looks like they're running a nice buck in here, guys. Looks like a nice buck they're running in here. Where he came out at. Going back into the hunt, guys. Going back into the hunt. Back into the hunt. Going back into the hunt, guys. Y'all be ready. Well, guys, that's the end of this hunt. Had a good hunt. Saw 3 deer, 2 bucks and a doe. Took a crack at the last buck the dogs were running. Came through here and hooked up through, and when it was going away from me, all of a sudden he doubled back down through the dogs, it looked like on the GPS, and he come up here to the edge and stopped in the cutover, and he tipped along the edge of the cutover, and I could see a rack, and took a crack at him and went back into the hunt, and apparently got out, and I don't think anybody else saw him. I think it looks like they've caught the dogs from what I can tell. So hey, gotta shoot at them while you can.